Amazon will give your overworked delivery driver $5 if you ask Alexa to say thank you. What kind of headline do we have here?
That's nice.
Last year, an Amazon delivery driver said that the high volume of orders during holiday season makes life hell. This year, these contracted workers can get a $5 tip if their customer says, Alexa, thank my driver. Whoa. Meanwhile, news also broke today that Amazon is being sued by the D.C. Attorney General, seeking penalties for allegedly misleading customers by using tips to cover couriers' base pay. This is like in the Uber realm and... So what? So I have one of these smart speakers, and then I see the package arrive, and then I say, Alexa, thank my driver, real quick.
Yeah.
And the $5 tip goes there.
Yeah. Apparently, it's as simple as that.
Whose $5 is it? The new thank you features part of a promotion that Amazon says it's running to celebrate its impending milestone of 15 billion packages delivered. If a driver is one of the first 1 million to receive a thank you, they get $5. The 5 drivers who receive the most thank yous will get a $10,000 bonus plus $10,000 donated to a charity of their choice. That means Amazon will pay out $5.1 million to workers through this promotion. So Amazon's paying it. It's not your $5
No.
that you're tipping. It's a free tip for you. So yeah, I guess go ahead. Tell Alexa to thank the driver. I'll do it for you right now. Alexa, thank my driver. Just did it for you.
Good PSA. Last one.